Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is December 22nd, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. NitroGen is an open vision action model from Nvidia for gaming agents. It was trained on 40,000 hours of gameplay videos from more than 1,000 games, using YouTube and Twitch clips with visible controller overlays. Researchers extracted player inputs with template matching and a fine-tuned seg-former model. Built on the Robotics Foundation GR00T and 1.5, NitroGen demonstrates that Robotics Foundation models can serve as universal agents across virtual environments with varying physics and graphics. It handles genres such as action RPGs, platformers, and roguelikes, and on unfamiliar games achieves up to 52% better success rates than models trained from scratch. The dataset, model weights, paper, and code are publicly available. Meta reports that Claude Opus 4.5 reaches a 50% time horizon of about 4 hours and 49 minutes, the highest value measured. The metric defines how long tasks can be while still being solved at a given success rate. There is a pronounced gap across difficulty levels. The 80% time horizon remains at only 27 minutes, similar to earlier models. Meta interprets the results as Opus 4.5 performing relatively better on longer tasks than its predecessors. A theoretical upper bound of more than 20 hours is regarded as unlikely and attributed to sparse test data and statistical uncertainty. The benchmark uses only 14 test cases and has documented limitations.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. Pickertde. Alibaba's Qwen unit released Qwen Image Layered, a model that breaks images into multiple RGBA layers with transparent backgrounds so each layer can be edited independently without affecting other content. The system supports common edits, resizing, repositioning, and recoloring of single elements, and practical tasks like changing background color, swapping people, editing text, deleting, moving, or enlarging objects. Images can be decomposed into 3 or 8 layers, and the decomposition can be repeated so layers can be split further. The Qwen team frames this as a bridge between ordinary images and structured, editable representations. Code and models are available on Hugging Face and ModelScope, with blog, technical report, and demos provided. In 2025, Chinese developers surpassed U.S. providers in downloads of OpenAI models. A report based on Hugging Face data finds over 44% of downloads came from China. Alibaba's Qwen and DeepSeek make up 14%. Qwen had over 750 million downloads, and Meta's Llama 500 million. The U.S. share fell from about 60%. Model size rose from 827 million parameters to 20 billion. Transparency fell from nearly 80% to 39% in 2025. NewsGuard finds China LLMs repeat pro-Chinese falsehoods in 60% of cases, spreading those narratives into everyday applications. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.